I don't think people understand just how transformative Power BI can be. Let's uncover why every data analyst needs it in their toolkit. Picture this: seamless data integration from hundreds of sources, both on-premise and in the cloud. Power BI makes pulling in diverse data a breeze. Now, imagine turning that data into compelling interactive visualizations. Power BI lets you craft customizable charts and dashboards that bring your insights to life. What about real-time analytics? With Power BI's real-time monitoring, you can make timely, informed decisions that keep your business ahead. And for those who love advanced analytics, Power BI supports DAX, Python, and R, offering a playground for predictive modeling and deep dives into data. Collaboration? No problem. Power BI's cloud-based service means you can share insights and work on dashboards from anywhere. So why wait? Enhance your ability to provide business value and become an indispensable asset with Power BI. Your data deserves it.